Okay, so girls, hello and welcome back again. So this is another very super quick video. I wanted to share with you or answer a question that I get often on some of the videos, especially when it's about blanket. Why do I get the curve like this? And how can I fix it? So it's normal when you do a blanket to get this curve, because when we start with the chain is usually not flexible and not stretchy, so that makes it look like curvy like this. But for the stitches, they become stretchy when you go row by row, and that's why they get straight. But you have to continue working until the end, and eventually this line, which is the chain, will get straighter, and then it will look like a good size blanket. So just don't worry about this curve, it will disappear while you're working your project. And as for this blanket, this amazing stitch is coming tomorrow on a tutorial. It's called houndstooth stitch, or some people call it Chanel stitch, like I like to call it. Also I think some people call it chicken leg or something, I'm not sure, but it's a very pretty stitch, and trust me on this, it's super easy one to do. You know, I was intimidated initially by this pattern, but then when I watched a video tutorial, I couldn't believe how easy it is. So stay tuned for tomorrow and let's see how to make it. If you have any question about the blankets, let me know, and I'll update you soon with all the blankets I have made. See you, bye bye.